Hey everyone, in this video we will talk about the RightOuter join merge option in Power Query. So let's say we're trying to join two tables and I'll just explain this scenario that I've got here. So I've got this diagram. So if I do a RightOuter join, so the table on the right hand side, I get all the records and I'll get only the matching records which exist in the table the table A. So all the records which are common will show up, but if there are any records on the table on the left side of the join, you will only get common values. You will not get values which don't match. So I'll explain this with an example. So let's say I've got a table which is the customer table and location table. Now the customer table is on the left hand side of the join and the location table is on the right hand side of the join, and I join on the basis of location ID. So now if you look at this, I will get everything which exists in the right join. So I'll get all these locations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And you can see with the outer join, you can see I'm getting all of them 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Now, and it also says that you'll also get the matching values on the in the left table. So what are the matching values? So 1 exists, 2 exists, 3 exists, 4 exists, 5 doesn't exist. So 5 has been filtered out. So it doesn't exist. 6. Now, if you look at 6, in a way, 6 exists, so we've brought 6 in. And then 7 does not exist here, but 7 does exist on the right side or in the location table. So that value has also been brought in. But that value doesn't have a corresponding match in the customer table, so these fields are null. So what's essentially happened is the value 5 in the customer table has been completely filtered out. And then for value 7 in the location table, there is no corresponding value. So with the RightOuter join, we are keeping all the records on the table on the right side of the the table which is on the right side of the join. So we get 7 in Delhi, but the corresponding values don't exist. So we don't have customer ID and customer name. So you can see these two values are null. Now let's just do a quick demo. So we'll come out with the same result set, but we'll do a demo in Power BI. So I'm going to escape out of this for now. And I'm going to open the Power Query editor, which I have. So I was experimenting with the merge join. I'll delete it for now so I can take you through it. So I've got the customer table, which is the table I want to keep on the left side of the join. Location table is the one on the right side of the join. So now I've got the Power Query editor open, as you can see. How to open the Power Query editor is, if you've gone Power BI desktop, you go into transform data and you can click transform data button here, and it will open the Power Query editor for you. Now with the customer table selected, so I'm on the home tab in the Power Query editor, and now I'll just on the home tab I'll go to merge queries, and I don't want to use merge query on customer table, so I'll say merge queries as new, and what it does is it creates a new table. So we'll use that. And so I have customer table on the left side and the location table on the right side. And I'm telling it that I'm going to join on location ID. So when I select these fields, I've pointed that out. And now I tell it, hey, I want a RightOuter join. So all from the second, which is the bottom table, and only matching from the first. So, and then I say, okay, and it tells me the selection matches 5 of 6 rows. And I'm happy with that. So I'll hit okay. And it'll create so it's created a new table, and you can see so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and then we've got no join. So I'll just expand this. These are the fields from the location table, so I expand them out. This location ID is from the customer table. I'll remove it, it's just causing confusion for now. And you can see, so I'm getting all the values which exist in the location table, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Let's go to the location table. So I'm getting that 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Let's just go back. But for location ID 7, if you go to the customer table, there's no location ID 7. So that's why it doesn't have a customer ID and corresponding customer ID and customer name. Also, you will see that in the customer table, there's a location ID called 5, which doesn't exist in the location table. So that has been completely filtered out. So in this video, just to recap, in this video, we've explored the RightOuter join option in the Power Query editor. And the time when you might want to use the right outer join is when you want to keep all the data in your second table, but only the corresponding matching rows from the first table. So I hope you find I'm not finished. So it's just a scenario based thing, and there might be a scenario you might just want all the rows from the second table, and that's when you just go ahead and use the right outer join. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching the video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Let me know if you would like me to take any specific topics. Cheers, bye.